Morning students. In the last class, we have seen that is remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? When a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, then its remainder is equal to what it is? F of a. Right? So now, next is after remainder theorem, we have factor theorem. We have factor theorem. Right? So factor theorem. Already we have solved problems on remainder theorem. The next one is factor theorem. What is factor theorem? What is factor theorem? When polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, right? So then remainder is equal to what it is? Then remainder is equal to f of a, right? So if f of a remainder is equal to 0, then this implies or then x minus a is factor of f of x. So this is what the factor theorem says, right? So if when a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder is f of a. This we know already with remainder theorem. If that remainder is 0, so then x minus a will be the factor of f of x. Means what? See here. If x plus a is factor of f of x, this implies f of minus a equal to 0. Already told you, just take the opposite sign. So if x minus a is factor of f of x, this implies f of a equal to 0. Is it clear? If x plus a is a factor of f of x, then f of minus a equal to 0. In f of x, if x is equal to minus a, that answer is 0 because they have given x plus a is a factor of f of x. Is it clear? So then if ax plus b is factor of f of x, then see ax plus b is equal to 0, ax is equal to minus b, then what is x value? Minus b by a. So therefore f of minus b by a is equal to 0. Is it clear, friends? Right? So ax plus b equal to 0. What is the x value? Minus b. So then what is x? Minus b by a. So if ax plus b is a factor of f of x, so then the f of minus b by a equal to 0 according to factor theorem. Is it clear, friends? Right? So now see the polynomial f of x when divided by x minus a, the remainder will be f of a. If that remainder is 0, then what it implies? X minus a is a factor of f of x. So if x plus a is a factor of f of x, f of minus a will be 0. If x minus a is a factor of f of x, then f of a will be 0. If ax plus b is a factor of f of x, then f of minus b by a will be 0. Right? So first write down these points. First, after writing these points, we go to the problems. See here. See. Determine whether x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus 5x plus 6. Similarly, determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of x raised to 6 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 minus x square minus x1 plus 1. Determine whether x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus 5x plus 6 or not. Right? So first we'll take that f of x. What is f of x? X square minus 5x plus 6. Now we have to check whether x minus 3 is a factor of that polynomial. So x minus 3 means what? We have to put f of 3. Right? Find f of 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. So f of 3 is equal to 3 square is 9 minus 5 into 3 15 plus 6. So 9 minus 15 minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So since f of 3 is 0, so this implies x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. What is that f of x? That is x square minus 5x. Similarly here also do the same thing. So take that polynomial as f of x. What is f of x? X raised to 6 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. So now we have to check whether x minus 1 is a factor. So put x is equal to 1. So that is f of 1. F of 1 is 1 power 6 minus 1 power 5 plus 1 power 4 plus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Put x is equal to 1. So now f of 1 power 6 is 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. We left with 1. F of 1 equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. So this implies what it is? X minus 1 is not a factor of f of. Is it clear, sir? X minus 1 is not a factor of f of x. Is it clear? So how to check whether x minus a is a factor of f of x means what? Put f of minus a. So if f of minus a is equal to 0, so then we can say that x minus a is a factor of that polynomial. How to check whether x plus a is a factor of the given polynomial? Put f of minus a, and if f of minus a, if it is equal to 0, so then we can say that x plus a is a factor of that polynomial. Is it clear? So write these two fast. Students, next problem. Next, this is asking 2011 problem. 2011. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus ax plus 10. Hence determine whether x plus 5 is also a factor. It's asked in 2011. See students, so first we have to find the value of k. How to find the value of k? They are given x minus 2 is a factor of that polynomial. See, what is given? Given x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. What is that f of x? X cube plus 2x square minus ax plus 10. So this implies, see, so this implies x minus 2 is a factor means what? F of 2 will be 0. They are given x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial means what? F of 2 will be 0. So now here x is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to, it is 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus a into 2 plus 10. That answer will be 0. Is it clear? So put x is equal to 2 in this polynomial 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus a into 2 plus 10 equal to 0. Now 2 cube is 8, right, minus 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 2k plus 10 equal to 0. Now this will get cancelled. Now 2k is equal to 10. What is k value? K value is 5. Is it clear? We got k value. Now substitute k value in a given polynomial. So what is that polynomial? That is f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus kx. What is kx? 5x plus 10. Now we have to check. Now whether x plus 5 is also a factor. X plus 5 is also a factor means we have to check f of minus 5. X plus 5 means what? F of minus 5 we have to check. So now it is minus 5 cube plus 2 into 5 square minus 5 into 5 plus 10. So f of minus 5. Minus 5 cube is minus 125. 5 square is 25. 25 into 2 is 50. Minus 5 into 5, 25 plus 10. So therefore f of minus 5. Minus 125 minus 50. Minus 150 plus 50. 100, 100. Minus 150 plus 50. Minus 100 plus 90. Minus 90. Which is not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 5 is not a factor of f of. Is it clear, students? First you have to find the value of k by using x minus 2 is a factor they have given. After finding that k value, substitute that k value in a given polynomial. So once you substitute that k value, put x is equal to minus 5 to check whether x plus 5 is a factor or not. Is it clear? So this is asked in 2011. Write it fast. After this, we'll go for the next problem. Next. So given that next problem, given that x plus 2 and x minus 3 are factors of x cube plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b. See, what is given? X plus 2 and x minus 3 are factors of x cube plus ax plus b. So see, so first I write f of x. So f of x, what is f of x? That is x cube plus ax plus b. So x plus 2 is a factor. First one is x plus 2 is a factor. X plus 2 is a factor. It means what? F of minus 2, that is minus 2 cube plus a into minus 2 plus b, that value will be 0. X minus 2 is a factor, therefore f of minus 2 will be 0. So therefore minus 2 cube a into minus 2 plus b equal to minus 2 cube is minus 8 minus 2a plus b equal to 0. So that is minus 2a plus b is equal to 8. Or this is equation number 1. Similarly, they have given x minus 3 is also a factor. X minus 3 is a factor, that is also given. So this implies f of 3. What is f of 3? b cube plus a into 3 plus b. This value is also 0. So what is 3 cube? 27 plus 3a plus b equal to 0. So then 3a plus b is equal to minus 27. So call this as equation. Is it clear? So for x plus 2, f of minus 2 is 0, we are getting one equation. Similarly, x minus 3 is also a factor. So for f of 3, we are getting one more equation. Now we have to solve these two linear equations. So first equation is minus 2a plus b is equal to 8. Second equation, 3a plus b is equal to minus 27. Now it is minus minus plus. Now subtract this. So why subtracting? So minus 2a minus 3a minus 5a plus b minus b will get cancelled. 8 plus 27 is 35. So then what is a value? 35 by minus 5. So that is minus 7. A value is minus 7. Now substitute that a value in the equation. So that is minus 2a plus b is equal to 8 minus 2 into a value is minus 7 plus b is equal to 8. Minus 2 into minus 7, 14 plus b equal to 8. What is b value? 8 minus 14? Minus 6. So therefore, a value is minus 7, b value is minus 6. Is it clear, students? Right. So for x plus 2 is a factor, we are getting one equation. Similarly, x minus 3 is also a factor, we are getting one more equation. Solve those two linear equation, that is very easy. So that is elimination method. Solve those two equation, we will get the value of a. Is it clear? So right. See next problem. Next to C. Polynomial. X cube minus ax square plus bx minus 6 leaves a remainder minus 8 when divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2 as a factor of 8. And divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2 is a factor of 8. Then find the value. Find the value of a. See, students. So now first one, f of x. What is f of x? See here, f of x is x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 6. X cube minus ax square plus bx minus 6. So when you divide by x minus 1, remainder is minus a. Means what? F of 1 is equal to minus a. When you divide by x minus 1, remainder is there. They are given it is minus a. Now put x is equal to 1. 1 cube minus a into 1 square plus b into 1 minus 6 is equal to minus a. So now 1 cube is 1 minus a plus b minus 6 is equal to minus a. Minus a plus b. 1 minus 6 minus 5, if it comes to the right hand side, minus 8 plus 5 is minus. This is the equation number 4. Similarly, x minus 2 is a factor of it. X minus 2 is a factor of it means what it is? F of 2 will be 0. X minus 2 is a factor of it means f of 2 will be 0. So put x is equal to 2, it is 2 cube minus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 6 will be 0. Now 8 minus 2a plus 2b minus 6 will be 0. So minus 2a plus 2b, 8 minus 6, 2. If you take it on the right hand side, minus 2. Or if you multiply. So now this is equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations. What is the first equation? Minus a plus b equal to minus b. Here it is minus 2a plus 2b is equal to minus 2. Is it clear? Now I multiply first equation by 2. So 2 into minus a minus 2a, 2 into b is plus 2b, 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 2 into b. Is it clear? Please see whether you have done any mistake or what. A minus b equal to 3, sorry, 2a minus b. See here, so 2 square, I am getting it as 2, it is not 2, it is 4. So it is minus 4a plus 2b equal to, so it is minus 4a. Minus 4a plus 2b equal to minus 2. So now see here, now it is plus minus plus. Minus 4a plus 2a minus 2a will get cancelled. So see here, 2 minus 2 plus 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So a value 4 by minus 2. What is a value? A value is minus 4. A value is minus 2. Substitute this a value in any equation. That is minus a plus b equal to minus 3. What is a value? Minus of minus 2 plus b equal to. So it is 2 plus b equal to minus 3. What is b value? Minus 3 minus 2. That is minus. So a value is minus 2 and b value is minus 2. A very easy student. So given polynomial, when the polynomial is divided by x minus 1, remainder is minus a, and h minus 1 is the factor of it. So since when it is divided by x minus 1, so f of 1 will be minus 8, we are getting one equation. So since x minus 2 is the factor, so similarly f of 2 will be 0. We are getting two equations, two simultaneous linear equations. So we have to solve those two like simultaneous linear equation to find the value of a and b. A value is minus 2 and b value is minus 5. Is it clear, students? Write on this. Okay, students. So try to solve these problems. So remaining things will continue.